Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. So we're just taking a quick look at Polygon then on our daily time frame. As we can see, looking like pretty much all of our other altcoins right now. It's been having a really fun time of things recently, but last week having a pretty significant retrace in line with what Bitcoin was doing. Bitcoin dragging the market down on that day. What was that day, just out of interest? Monday. Last Monday we had a significant retrace in the market which dragged all of our altcoins down. Bitcoin was basically having a little bit of a choppy time of things that day. As you can see, we got a pretty decent red candle there, which led to Polygon and all of our other altcoins getting a decent retrace to the downside. And looking like potentially we could have lost our support for our local uptrend, as you can see, breaking down and back testing, and then looking like we could get a retrace now. If Bitcoin continues to start looking bearish, I know Bitcoin's at 103k right now, but it's getting some pretty significant bearish divergences on a lot of time frames. And in my opinion, it's been getting quite overextended to the upside for a long time now. There's lots of leverage long positions all the way up in the local move that we did see from around 60, 70k up to 100k. And if we do see Bitcoin retrace, we're obviously going to see Polygon continue to do the same. We have seen the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the upside in this local area here. And now looking like we could potentially see ourselves consolidating and retracing at least for a small while in this local area for Polygon. You can see we got up into our 0.38 Fibonacci level here, which is where we saw a decent amount of resistance. It was this previous level of structure as well. Obviously we have been making structure for a long while in this bear market for Polygon, as you can see. The bear market swing low did get swept for liquidity down here before a lovely retrace of this whole move to the downside. But we have retraced 50% of that local move now, so it's also reset in terms of the direction in my opinion. And we could be looking at heading up or down, depending on what Bitcoin does and altcoins do over the next few weeks. If Bitcoin retraces, it's going to drag the whole market down, including Polygon. But if Bitcoin keeps going sideways and we do see capital continue to rotate into our large cap altcoins, we could see Polygon have another push to the upside like this. But it really is fully dependent on what Bitcoin does, as always. When Bitcoin starts to go sideways in bull markets, that's when you get those big altcoin moves, which is what we've been seeing recently. A nice trickle down of capital from Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana into these smaller cap cryptos. I would consider Polygon to be a large cap since it's well over $1 billion market cap. But overall you can see here Polygon doing all the right things, breaking back above this key level, the 0.23 Fibonacci, which was our support for a long time during the bear market. You can see we came down here, got a full sweep all the way down to what we're looking at here, 29 cents. Bounced back to the upside, breaking and continuing, as we can see. Right now, Polygon looking very, very nice indeed for some continuation to the upside, in my opinion. Very, very nice stuff indeed, as you can see. But right now, we are basically just waiting to see what Bitcoin will do next, to see what will happen with Polygon next week. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. BitTrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.
you.